Photoprism versus Nextcloud. Which photo management tool is better? Photoprism is a self-hosted, open-source photo library tool built for powerful media organization. It uses ML/AI for face object recognition, automatic tagging, geolocation map view, color filtering, and more. It supports Docker deployments, often used alongside Nextcloud or other file storage. It indexes your originals directory, works well with large photo collections. Its pros include having advanced AI features, face recognition, object detection, tagging, location-based mapping, and good search capabilities. It has very slick photo-first UI, albums, filtering by metadata, viewing by date and location. Often feels more polished for photos. Users report it being more snappy and intuitive, especially for photo browsing. It has a good community and ongoing development, many contributors, frequent updates. However, its setup is more involved. It requires Docker or VM hardware with decent resources, especially when using AI or ML features. Multi-user features are weaker by default. User account separation is limited. Some users need separate instances per user. Mobile syncing or built-in apps are less mature or require third-party tools. Automatic detection and new file indexing sometimes requires manual rescan or cron jobs. Nextcloud is a full-stack self-hosted platform and includes photo and gallery apps for managing images and media. Memories in Nextcloud add features like timeline view, map, and with location clustering, basic duplicate detection, album creation, and more. It is more integrated if you already use Nextcloud for file sync and storage. Its pros include being very convenient if you're already using Nextcloud, photos, files, backups, all in one place, lower overhead for managing separate systems. However, its photo features are more basic compared to Photoprism, fewer AI object and face detection, slower or less detailed search and filtering. Now for its pricing. Both are open source, free to use if you self-host. Your main costs will be hardware. So which one is better? Choose Photoprism if you want powerful photo-centric features, face recognition, detailed metadata, filtering, mapping, and more. If you have a large photo collection and want the best photo browsing or search tools, Photoprism is the stronger option. Go with Nextcloud if you already use Nextcloud, want simpler setup, and need multi-user support, and want to keep all your files, media, documents under the same roof. It's more convenient and lower friction for many users. In many setups, people even use both Nextcloud for storage, syncing, and backup, and Photoprism layered over it for advanced photo management. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.